So here is the cake that I made, guys. Today is December 25 na. I don't know if I will film a video. So tired. And coffee, cake, and the other slice. Wow. Pretty. Look how moist and beautiful my cake. Wow. Success. But the shape is not that success. Kasi I was including yung pinaka-top dito kasi because ang sayang din kasi I don't wanna throw away cake. Pero yan. And our serrated knife is small din kaya it was not even. So here's mine again. Well, uy, kauna mo. Your icing is melting na. Yay! This is so decadent, guys. I'm gonna make another. And I also made a cupcake too. On this one. Today is December 25. And Merry Christmas, everybody! Oh my God, I forgot to say good night na kasi we were so busy eating last night already. And yeah, tapos kami lang ni Rookie yung naiwan kasi si mother got drunk kasi uminom siya ng Sunmig Light, guys, kagabi. Kaya na siya nalasing. Yeah, she got drunk na. Kaya we slept like around 3 AM na ni Rookie kagabi. Hi, sweet. Merry Christmas. Yan. So, we're busy. So, today, we already had breakfast. Yung breakfast namin was so weird. I had salad, macaroni salad kasi I haven't eaten that last night kasi I was so full. Ang dami pagkain. And then, mango float. Yung mga food na hindi ko nakain kagabi. I ate it this morning. Yan. So, I'm excited to eat my cake. Here's my cake. Oh, I haven't got a fork. I'm gonna get a fork for my cake. What happened to you? Masod pa day na. Lutuan na lang na daan para di na mabaho. Kay mabaho kaya na siya sa kuan. Ay di ulwa ba nagisud gabi eh. Where's my food? Oh yeah.
Among gina among dito.
Diba no, ang kuan? So I'm so excited to taste my cake. I also gave one for my sister-in-law. I hope she likes it. It's so masarap. Grabe. The frosting is good. The cake itself is so moist. Grabe. That one, yeah, sa mother, wait. I'm gonna video you. Mother, wait. It's her birthday cake. Sige daw. Diha jud ka mag-giwa.
Asam day mag-giwa.
Sige, bahala ka.
Yes,
nalanay, dali magud ka siya matunaw.
Matunaw itong gidang ino.
Lagi.
Yan. Masarap.
Lami. Masarap. No? Diba? Kanang kuan kay siya, kanang rich kaayo.
Rich in chocolate.
Rich in chocolate? What? Meron nagsi-selfie doon by the Christmas tree. So, pwede na tayo mag-kuanan eh. Pwede na tayo mag-business ng cake again. Ang naungi ay. Today is Mother's birthday, December 25. My birthday,
it's
Mother.
My birthday.
How old are you?
I'm 68.
2 years na lang.
2 years na.
7-0 na ka.
7-0. Congratulations.
Ha? Ang sana mong gisuti mo lupit pa makang siya na. Uy, adula siya. Mo gali. Bye.
Hello guys.
Na? Dinner time na. Grabe, we're so tired. Nakatulog ako. Mga sa oras na tulog ato eh. Nagkaraoke ko. Ako lang. Rookie was wala. Kasi ang dami kong in-input na song. Ako lang mag-isa na nagkaraoke. Tapos I got tired kaya I got sleepy because I ate a lot. Kumain ako ng ano pa yun. Pagkatapos ko kumain ng cake, kumain ako ng mango float and stuff, and then kumain ako ng chocolate. And then, what else? Ang dami kong kinain. Basta matatamis. And then, yeah. Cake. And then, tapos, after mga around 3 siguro, nakatulog ako. Ngayon lang ako nagising. Or 3 or 4. Ngayon lang ako nagising. Mga 7 o'clock na. Where's the towel? There. Nora, oh! So, ngayon, I'm going to eat dinner. Tapos na sila, Rocky. Si Sashi, she said na gusto niyang kumain. Tapos, ayaw na kumain. Ang daming pagkain. Tapos, nagpaksiw, pinaksiw ni Mother yung, lechon. Maksiw. Grabe. Oh my God, I'm so tired. Kasi for the past, like, mga sunod-sunod na 4 days or 5 days, I sleep very late, like mga 1 o'clock kasi I'm preparing for Christmas. Tapos last night talaga yung pinaka huli na mga around 3:30 a.m. na kami nakatulog. Ayun. So, and then I woke up today like mga around 9. Yeah. Because ang sama parang kasi uminom kasi ako kagabi ng yung red wine, tapos yung chan ko parang parang so much, I don't know, hindi ko maintindihan. So, yun nga, it's dinner time. We'll show you my dinner. So, our dinner tonight at Christmas, December 25 dinner is, eto guys, yung lechon kagabi, ginawang lechon paksiw ni Mother. Tapos yung leftover shrimp, dami pa din doon. So, eto yung hindi ko masyadong nakain. Hindi kumain ako dito kagabi. So, marami pa. Kanina kumain pala ako ng what's that? Yung chicken. Yung Korean barbecue na chicken wings. Yan. Tapos, mango float. Yeah. Kaya, yun pala yung kinain ko. Kaya busog na busog ako sa lunch ko. Tapos, eto nga, shrimp. Paksiw, lechon paksiw, and coffee. Pag Cebuano ka guys, when you say paksiw, immediately or instantly, what comes to my mind or to our mind if you are Cebuano is, if you heard paksiw, it means lechon paksiw. Pero pag Tagalog ka, paksiw to them is like fish paksiw, which is inuunan sa amin dito sa Cebu. But if we say paksiw here in Cebu, it means lechon paksiw, not fish paksiw, kasi inuunan yung paksiw na fish. Yan, ang sarap nito. That's my rice. Itadakimasu.